मडगावच्या हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटलाची पळोवणी करपाक गेल्ले कडेन भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांकां आडोवन दवरून हुज्जत घालपाचो यत्न केल्ले। ते दोगांय महिला आड मंत्र्याच्या सुरक्षा रक्षकान सोमारा उसरा कागाळ केली। मात मंगळारा पत्रकार परिशद घेवन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी कागाळ फाटीं घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतला। पुलिसांनी ताचेर कसलीच कारवाय करची न्हय अशें आवाहन तांणी मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान केल्या। आर्डिक स्कुवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
काल आमी जे लोकांक दिसले की म्हाजो जो PSO हा he felt after looking at the incident that he should file a police complaint. Lot of people have seen parts of the video and some people have not seen the video, and there are small shots of this video going everywhere. So I have come here specifically. There are health issues, political issues, and most important is these issues of these two ladies who require help. Now these two ladies and I had nothing to do. I had gone for a checkup of Auspicio. After Digambar Kamath left, I went back into Auspicio because to review and take the letters regarding the dead bodies that are not being disposed of by the Margao municipality and the collector. Today morning also I was pursuing the same. So I wanted to get from the medical superintendent's office the letter. So when I came out, I saw these ladies fighting with the security, which you have seen 4-5 videos which are going on viral. So to put this in a nutshell, I think this needs to be ignored, and I urge the police not to take any action in this regard. And I've asked my PSO to go tomorrow morning and withdraw that complaint against those two ladies so that this issue is put to rest, because I feel that somewhere this behavior is not normal, and also from my side I must ensure that no ladies or some senior citizen is put to hardship because of some verbal abuse. I have been in politics, one is used to all this type of behaviors, and I had nothing to do with this incident. So we are withdrawing this complaint. I've directed him, and in front of the media I urge the police not to do anything or any kind of inquiry or initiate any kind of proceedings against these people, because that complaint will be withdrawn by either today evening or tomorrow morning.